NASA receives communication signal from spacecraft 24 billion kilometers away. After a prolonged period of communication troubles with the Voyager 1 spacecraft, NASA has received a meaningful signal from the spacecraft flying in interstellar space. Following 4 months of tension, NASA has finally received a decipherable signal from the Voyager 1 spacecraft, as reported by Live Science on March 15. Since November 2023, the nearly 50-year-old spacecraft has experienced issues with its onboard computer. Despite Voyager 1, one of NASA's longest-running space missions, regularly transmitting radio signals to Earth, those signals contained no useful data, leaving scientists puzzled. Now, in response to a command sent from Earth on March 1, NASA has received a new signal from Voyager 1 that engineers can decode. Scientists on the mission hope this information can help them explain the spacecraft's recent communication problems. The source of the problem seems to lie with one of the 3 computers on board, the Flight Data System, FDS, responsible for packaging scientific and technical data before sending it back to Earth via the Deep Space Transponder, NASA stated. On March 1, in an effort to address Voyager 1's computer issue, NASA sent commands to the FDS on board the spacecraft, instructing the device to utilize multiple different software sequences to effectively screen potentially corrupted data. Voyager 1 is more than 24 billion kilometers away from Earth. This means any radio signal sent from Earth takes 22.5 hours to reach the spacecraft, and any feedback requires an equivalent amount of time for Earth-based antennas to receive. On March 3, NASA detected activity from a different component of the FDS, with a data stream that was previously unreadable. 4 days later, engineers began the task of deciphering this signal. On March 10, the team discovered a signal containing information about the entire memory of the FDS, including instructions on what the FDS needs to do, encoded values that can change based on commands from NASA or the spacecraft's status, and downloadable scientific and technical data. Voyager 1 is venturing farther from Earth than any artificial object. Launched in 1977, it followed a few weeks after Voyager 2, its twin spacecraft. The mission's initial goal was to explore Jupiter and Saturn. However, after nearly 5 decades and countless discoveries, the mission continues its journey beyond the boundaries of the solar system. Currently, NASA scientists will compare the new information with data from before the issue arose, searching for discrepancies in encoding and any changes that could reveal the origin of the problem. However, NASA emphasizes that they need time to determine whether the information obtained from the new signal can be used to address Voyager 1's prolonged communication issue. As we come to the end of today's Science News podcast, we want to express our sincere gratitude to all our listeners for tuning in and supporting us. Your interest and engagement mean the world to us, and we're thrilled to have you with us on this journey of exploration and discovery. We hope you found today's episode informative and engaging, and we look forward to bringing you more fascinating stories and insights in future episodes. Be sure to subscribe to stay updated and join us for our upcoming episodes. Thank you once again for being part of our community. Until next time, stay curious, stay inspired, and we can't wait to reconnect with you in the next episode.